Guess who?
I humbly accept the cash prize.
Sorry, Woody. That cash prize is gonna be mine.
Oh, wait! Look at Buzz's carving!
We have a late entry, and the winner is Buzz Buzzard!
Buzz Buzzard!
Thanks for carving the carousel, Basil.
Pleasure doing business, Buzzard.
Hey, you big cheating cheater! You cheated! That money should be mine! I'll take that, thank you. Hey, hello. Wake up, guys. Can I get a hand here? How about two? Come on, guys. You're taking too long.
Basil, I got another job for you.
It's gonna cost you overtime.
Fine, fine. Just carve it, Beaver. It's mine. Woody, old friend, old pal, old chubby chum.
Yes.
Help!
Gotta think about it. Ah, well, all right.
Oh, thanks, pal. I always liked you more than any other tool.
Aw, I don't care what the whole world says about you, Buzz. And they don't say nothing good, trust me. You're a sweetie pie. It's made of 100% deadwood.
Over here, dum-dum.
Cheaters never win, Buzz.
And the real winner is Basil Beaver!
I humbly accept the cash prize. Hey, hold on. What's that noise?
Super good, the best!
Must have been fun because they had a blast.